welcome to my channel. My name is Mo. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. So I purchased these parts for my Irobot Roomba. So I already opened the package, so I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys. This was $26.99, and I ordered it and it came the same day. So it comes with 2, 4, 6, 8 cartridges. This is my first time replacing these. I actually got this from a friend of mine. I didn't buy it brand new, so this is my first time. And then I think it comes with, I don't remember how much bags it comes with. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes with 8 bags. So that means it comes with 8 of everything. 8 of these brushes. And I guess this is to clean it. And then it comes with, let me see what is it. Oh, these are the I guess it only comes with 4 of these, 2 each. Like 2 of this. We will use 2. Okay. You see, we use 2 of these. These look pretty good, so I'm not gonna change these out, but I'm gonna change this one out. It looked pretty beat up. And then the cartridge, I gotta figure out where that goes. The vacuum is kind of full now because it told me, that's how I knew the bag was full, because it says you know, you have to change it out. I'm not sure where the cartridges are supposed to go. I know how to change these out because I had a I know how to change these out because I had a jam and I had to figure that out. But anything else I don't know. I will have to read the manual for it. It's fully charged, so anything it goes it starts automatical disposal. So when it goes back to the base, it just, you know, empties it. But okay, I thought I saw some screws. Yes, some screws come with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this one out at least, and then later when I figure out where the cartridge is gonna go, maybe the cartridge don't even go in this one, you know. But we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. So here goes a little screwdriver. Of course, we have a lot of hair in the house, so it keeps getting stuck. Yeah, pretty easy. Oh, you just pull it off. I was putting it. Yeah, it looked pretty beat up, right? And I actually thought it had become discolored, but that's the color of it. So maybe it's not. It wasn't that bad. Oh, it even comes with a new screw. You see, it comes with a new screw, so I don't even have to keep this one. Amazing. So what I'm gonna do is, you just pretty much gotta press this on here. Press it on, and then you screw it in. Pretty easy, so simple, you know. That's simple. And as I said, these rollers, they seem pretty decent, so I'm not gonna change these out, and I have to figure out where the cartridge go, and maybe the cartridge don't even using this one, but I'll check the manual and see. But the phone that I'm recording on, that's where I have the app on. So I'm gonna have to wait until I finish record to actually look at it, you know. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I'm pretty much in the house today, so I'm gonna be doing a little cleaning. I'm not gonna be recording me cleaning because it's too much work right now. But I may prepare something to eat in a little bit. My son was outside on the porch just now, but it's a little bit chilly. It's only 63 degrees today, so it's a little bit chilly. So, and if I had to like literally like bring him inside, like grab him up and bring him inside and close the door real fast because he loves when he's outside. But as I say, it's a little chilly. I need to get a I did make a previous video about us getting a dog. I'm probably gonna record it after. I'm probably gonna upload it later because for some reason, I don't know, like I decided this after I already make a bunch of videos. I decided I was gonna do Veda, so I'm gonna be including it somewhere, like days that I really don't have nothing, I'm gonna include those. So yeah, so I want to get like a leash for my dog, so maybe I could like tie him on the porch and give him, because the yard is not fenced in, I could have him outside some days instead of having him cloaked up in the cage. And then also I had bought some Pampers for him, for him. I bought some Pampers for her to be able to run around the house, but they're too small. So I'm gonna probably try to send those back and get some new one. I had completely forgotten. Now I gotta work on that today. Alright guys, I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. As I say, I'm gonna probably prepare something to eat and do a little cleanup. My son play area is a complete disaster. He just takes everything out and drop it on the floor, and then he even start to move it out of his play area and put it all over the living room floor. So yeah, there's so much stuff I need to do in this house, guys. Like my blinds are all messed up because every time I will pull up in front of the house, my son will go there, pull the blind. They are a complete mess right now. So that's why I really don't want to show around the house, because stuff is just broken and there's no finance right now to fix it, right? So, and I'm not stressed about it. The main important thing is I have a roof over my head and I'm paying a mortgage, not a rent, you know? So, I would love to fix up my house, but it's just not happening right now, and that's okay with me. I came to grips with that. At first, I was really concerned. I'm like, oh, I have all this stuff to do and I can't do it. Man, I'm not even worried about it because everything is too expensive. And every time I think about the idea to DIY, I'm like, I know me. I'm so indecisive. I will start today and finish 10 years from now. And it's going to annoy me every day. So maybe in the future I could get in the hang of DIY or whatever, but right now, anyway, I'm yapping. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out how to get this, if this cartridge is needed after, and then I'm gonna put it in the bag. I'm actually gonna show you guys. I'm put it in the bag inside the I had already take out this one. And it goes like this. As you guys can see, it's full. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the new one. I thought this was, oh my god. So I guess this is like a knockoff, because you see this one say Irobot. Oh, this is a knockoff. You see, I didn't know, but hopefully it works. If it don't work as good as this one, I will go ahead and buy the Irobot brand. But let's see. This one is this just open and close, whereas this is like, you know, so let's see. I'm gonna put it in. Oh, okay. All right, guys. So this is it. Whew. Wow, bending over just now. This is it. I'm gonna try to work it and see. So this is my favorite coffee now. Like, this is 20 and it's like 13 something a box, but I really like it. I do add some creamer, but that's all you need. And one thing is 100 calories. A lot of sugar. I have a lot of added sugar, granted, but it's really good. I only do, sometimes I drink, when I'm at work, I drink like 3 or 4 cups. But when I'm home, I literally like drink 1 because that's all I need.